Keto for women over 40. What you need to know. Once women turn 40, they begin to notice changes in their body. This means that a woman wishing to follow the keto diet needs to make some tweaks to the diet so that they don't increase health issues that she is already facing. So what does she need to know? One thing that middle-aged women have to deal with is the onset of the menopause. During the menopause, hormone levels start to decline, especially estrogen. This change in estrogen can cause hot flushes, needing to pass urine urgently, trouble sleeping, and depression and mood swings. Unfortunately, another change that women notice is weight gain. The keto diet is high fat and low carbohydrate and forces the body to burn fat for energy. This helps with weight loss by helping to balance insulin levels. The problem is that women over 40 may lose a few pounds but actually feel terrible at the same time. This is due to keto flu. As a woman over 40, you're probably holding down a job, raising children, and running a home. So the last thing you need is to feel tired, bad-tempered, nauseous, and constipated, all symptoms of keto flu. A way to overcome this is to make sure that the food being eaten is not just meat, fish, and dairy products. The body needs lots of vitamins and minerals to fight off these symptoms. The best place to get these nutrients is from vegetables, such as cauliflower, broccoli, sprouts, kale, and spinach. Women over 40 need to be aware that many foods eaten on a keto diet can cause acidity in the body. These foods include bacon, cheese, pork rinds, and even butter. The next thing that women over 40 need to do is to include collagen in the keto diet. Collagen is found in the joints, but is broken down in arthritic joints. Collagen is a protein that can be eaten in the keto diet. The best way to get it in the diet is by boiling up animal bones and making a broth. The bones will need to be boiled for about 12 hours. A slow cooker is great for this. Remember to add apple cider vinegar to get all of the nutrients out of the bones. In conclusion, women over 40 following the keto diet are advised to increase protein, including collagen. They should eat plenty of cruciferous vegetables and foods containing phytoestrogen to help the body fight inflammation. And finally, they should fast alongside the keto diet to slow down the aging process. That wraps things up for today. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.